Hello guys, how are you? How was your day going so far today? Today is Monday June 22. Today is the birthday of my sister and my friend. Anyway, I'm checking my email because I check if there is result for my application online. I did not proceed my application in Albania because need to pay big amount of money, but the salary is not big. Only little salary, but you need to spend too much money. That contract is only for 1 year, and that's why I did not proceed. And I check also the name of the is not listed in government portal. That's why I did not proceed, because if there is something happen in that place, knock on wood, we cannot ask help from the embassy, because the embassy is far from Albania. It's in Roman Italy. It's in Italy pa, the embassy. There is no embassy in Albania. So it's hard to go to the embassy. That's why I need to check my email. I hope I try here in only UAE. But I still hoping and praying to God what is the plan of God into my life. I know that's for my own good. If God allowing me to stay here, I believe that He can provide me a good job, a nice job, the job that is for me, a good salary and good benefits, and also a godly and kind employer and alaga, and also the work is not so stressful. There is an rest every week. There is day off every week. That's why I am praying about this. Most of the they want to have own visa, and they offer lower salary. So the salary that they offer to me is my salary 10 years ago. The first time coming here, anyway, the salary. I don't know, but anyway, I'm not in a hurry naman. I know what is God's plan for me. It's for my own good. That's why I keep praying and hoping. If God want me to go home to Philippines, I accept that wholeheartedly. When I go home to Philippines, I try to find job in Manila. If I cannot find there, I need to go home to the province to start my own business. I'm gonna sell agriculture business, or I'm gonna rent a slot in the palengke, in the market, to sell fish or any what we can sell in the market. That's why I keep praying. forever here in UAE. One of this day I need to go home to Philippines. That's why I need to, but I still hoping and praying that I still have opportunity to work here. Hmm. So, it's very itchy my I hope I can receive money. I can win a raffle, any raffle, any raffle. If I can win a raffle amount of 1 million, I need to go home to Philippines for good to retire. I can start my own business in the Philippines anyway. Oh, yun lang. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.